There's a lot of these tools. There's at least 100 tools for AI video generation, but I think this is it. I think this is the end. It's called Pollo AI, and it uses friends, right? What I mean by friends, let me just show you this. The friends of this particular video generation tool are Kling. The friends is Runway, Hailu, Luma Labs, Pika, and Pixverse. So what does this all mean, right? What is this? Well, it's a kind of partnership where they can use the models that these other companies have. I think that's the thing. And for example, if you click on any one of these, for example, let's just click on Kling here, you can create video for free, or you can just create pictures with using these models. All right, so there's all these models here, and you can use them to see whether this is going to work for you or not. Now, on the other hand, if you click on the pricing section here, you can see that Pollo AI is free, but it is limited though. You have 10 credits, you can create 1 video per month, and you can create up to 2 images. If you want to purchase this, it's going to be $25 for you. And then you can enjoy all the features that it has, and it is 80 videos per month, which is more than enough for any content creator out there, and you can create 160 images per month. Now, I'm not affiliating with them, I'm just showing you this, and I don't care if you're going to use it or not, but I think I have a way that can make anyone a few bucks on the side. So, first of all, just Google for it. As I've said, no links down there. It is Pollo AI. And this is going to be the homepage of it. First of all, of course, just click on Start for Free, and then just create yourself an account using Google. You can just click on this. And this is going to be your dashboard, right? This is how it looks like. On the left here, you've got a few options. You've got your simple prompt to video, so you just talk to it, and it'll spit out the video. Then you've got image to video, which is really, really well made. Then you've got consistent character video, which is good for OnlyFans makers or, those shady things that people make. On the other hand, a lot of people consume that. Then you've got video to video. You've got some cool AI animations, and you've got video effects. Speaking of these video effects, there's like a lot of these crazy, unnecessary things, but I think that a lot of people will find the use for it, especially on Instagram, where everything is dumb and it just keeps you doom scrolling and the content is just recycled all the time. And down there you can see some of these creations that other people made. And I gotta be honest with you, it looks good. It just looks really good. And I haven't seen any one of these tools perform this well. So what can we do? Let's just create something. Let's go with text to video here to show you how this works. So this is something that is just a sample video here. You can choose to watch it, or you can just choose to, just turn it off. It's good though, but I'll just turn it off. Now, the prompt goes here. You can generate it with AI if you want. And if you click on it, it'll just ask you to talk in your natural language. So for example, I can just type something like this. So cute cat eating ice cream. So this is how simple it can be. Click on continue, and of course it's going to generate the prompt for you. You can choose one of the 3. I like the first one. So a fluffy cat eagerly licking an ice cream cone, delighting in every creamy bite on a sunny day. I'll just click on confirm here, and then you choose the aspect ratio. Usually it's going to be this for the content strategy that I have in mind. And then you can just click on create button here. And it's going to tell you that you don't have enough credits. Well, they lied. Oops, first red flag here. They lied. They told us that we can get 10 credits, but in fact we have 0 credits, right? Now there's a fun feature here where they just tell you to check in, and you get like 2 credits each day when you check in. This is just dumb, right? Dumber than Instagram. All right, let's go and try image generators. Let us see if we can get something from here, but still not, as you can see, credits required for. All right, and I've got 2 credits because I've checked in and they've been so generous to me. I just love them. Yeah, thank you, Pollo. So this is actually not true, right? You can't use it for free. They tell you that you're gonna get 10 credits and up to 1 video and up to 2 images to get, per month. but this is not true. So what am I going to do now? Well, I have to purchase this one. So now the purchase is done, as you can see, so you don't have to unless you feel this is the right tool for you. I got 800 credits now and a month full of fun. So let us continue with the prompt that we originally wanted to make. I have it right here. I'm going to choose 9x16, and then of course I'll just click on the create button. Also, let us test the speed. This says it'll take 6 minutes. Don't worry, I'm not going to be here for 6 minutes, but I think that it is going to be faster after all. By the way, I was telling you about the partnership that it has. So you can use Pollo 1.5, and this is the first one that we're going to see. It takes the most time, as you can see, around 6 minutes. But then again, you can use Kling, you can use Kling 1.0, you can use Vidu, Halu, Lumalabs, Pika, Second, Pixverse. So there's a lot of partners which you can use, and you can just test the prompts out. And honestly, I think the possibility is good, especially if you need a lot of stock footage, which can be really, really expensive if you use Envato or Shutterstock or something like that. So after all, there could be a potential use case for it, especially if you're a video editor. But if you're not, there's a lot of demand on Fiverr only for these AI videos. And if you just, do some research on it, you will find that there's a lot of people that are looking to buy these kind of videos, judging by these sales that the people are doing, right? So there is a demand for it, and if you want to go this route, it can be a great side hustle for you. But of course, the best option for you is to make some kind of a channel on YouTube or Instagram or something like that for yourself, and yeah, you have to grind it out. None of this is going to be a get-rich-quick scheme, I gotta tell you that. So forget about what other people tell you, like, oh, you can make $1 million, just make yourself a YouTube channel or something like that. Something like that doesn't exist. It's a grind. It's dedication, and it's hard work. And no, I'm not selling any kind of course. In fact, your money is going to be better spent if you invested in Pollo, let's say, or any other tool, than it is to pay someone to teach you something that they know a little bit about, right? Especially when it comes to new tools. If I, for example, run a course on Pollo, it's a new tool. How can you expect that I'm an expert in Pollo if it's a new product, right? So don't believe those kind of fellas, right? And here it is. My cat is licking the ice cream. Now this, I think it's my mistake though, because this gave me a realistic video. So it suggests that it should, hold the ice cream. And the tongue is not so good. Let me try with something else, maybe. This time I'll do something like this. An old man, let me just delete this, is looking at the camera and smiling. This time I'll use Halu. And as you can see, it costs $50, 50 credits to be used in order to use Halu. For Kling, though, it is 20. All right? And you have many options. I like these partnerships, right? So let us do this with Halu. And after all, honestly, I think that the price is worth it if you consider having all of these. If you take all of these one by one, it would easily go over $200. So for $29 per month, if you take the monthly version, maybe it's worthwhile, especially if you can find a good use case for it. So here it is with Halu. I think that this one is pretty good. It's pretty realistic. The eyes are good. Yeah, they're good. They're not losing grip. The clothes and the background is pretty good. I honestly like this one. In the next video, I have one idea on how to get Instagram theme page with this fellow here. And we're also going to use image generator. So yeah, there it is. There's all to it. Pollo AI. Well, think of it as a tool. It's a good one. Whether you want to use it for yourself to make money with it, it's up to you. It's $29 per month or $25 per month if you take the yearly version of it. So yeah, wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.